Hi guys, welcome to Myra Studio. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you for stopping by, my girl. So today we are going to do simple fluffy twists. Fluffy twists. Okay, so first thing first, I'll go ahead and comb my hair, to detangle it, and then use this gel you saw earlier, Erha 21 gel. Apply the gel. Okay, so before applying the gel, I'll grab my comb, and then we are going to start the twist from the back of our natural hair. Okay, all right, so I'll take a section of my natural hair and then apply the gel on the line. Then I'll go over the line again with my rattle comb to make the line neat. Hold the rest of the hair with some clips so that it can allow me to work. Okay, and then take a section of the a section of the hair, you understand. Okay, the hair I just took, the section I just took, take another section like a box. Okay, and then apply gel, comb the hair, and then do about 5 to 6 times braiding from the roots. And then this is the hair we are going to use. So this is a kinky hair extension. It's very fluffy, very natural, so beautiful. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and take some strands from the hair. I'll take a strand from the hair, so separate the hair just like this. Take a strand, okay, and then fluff the the tips, okay, the tip and then the end. So I'll fluff it and then separate it again. Okay, all right, now you are going to bend the hair like this, okay, to get equal sizes. And then you grab your crochet pin, pass the tip of the crochet pin through the roots of your hair, and then you place the hair on the tip, the middle of the hair on the tip of the crochet pin. Close the loop, and then you pull the hair out gently. Yes, add your natural hair to the strands, the extension, clap it together, and then you twist it like this. Very simple. Twist it all the way to the very end. So when you twist it all the way to the very end, so the very end, I'll grab a little gel to finger coil the end like this. Coil, that's the word. Okay, now let's do it again. Grab your rattle comb, any comb you are using, okay, and then take a section of the hair, a box, hold the rest of the hair with a clip so that I can allow it to work. Comb the hair, apply your gel. Now let's divide the hair into 3 equal parts. So you have divided the hair into 3 equal parts, okay. Then you do about, let's say, 5 to 6 times braiding from the roots, depending on how you want the roots to be firm. Okay, all right, then after braiding the roots, grab your crochet pin, pass the tip of the pin through your hair, the roots. Place the hair on the tip of the crochet pin, your extension, the middle of the extension on the tip of the crochet pin. Make sure they are equal on both sides, okay, and then grab a scissors to to just trim the ends a little. Okay, then you are going to divide your natural hair into 2 equal parts, and then you add it to the extension and you twist just like this. Very simple, very simple. You can do it, okay. Then you twist it all the way to the very end. Now when you get to the very end, you grab a little gel. That's personal preference. Just grab a little gel and you finger coil the ends, right? I got you. Yes. All right, dear, so keep twisting all the way to the very end, right? Okay, let's do it again. Do you want us to do it again? Yeah, let's go. It's a tutorial, so let's go, darling. All right, so you're going to take a section of your hair, okay. All right, after taking the section or a box, apply your gel, comb the hair, okay, and then divide the hair into 3 equal parts. Do about 5 to 6 times braiding from the roots. Take your crochet pin, all right, pass the crochet pin through the roots, your natural hair, all right, and then you place the middle of the extension on the crochet pin. Make sure they are equal on both sides, okay, and then you add your natural hair to the extension, both the extension, split it into 2, add your natural hair to the extension, and then you twist your hair all the way to the very end. Now the very end, what you are going to do is you grab a little gel. I said it's personal preference, right? Okay, grab a little gel and then you finger coil the ends, right? Okay, so I just trimmed the ends as you saw earlier with the scissors. Okay, now let's do it again. I want this tutorial to be it's a simple tutorial. Okay, so you're going to take a section of the hair, grab your gel, apply a small gel. Okay, do about 5 to 6 times braiding from the roots after combing. Okay, and then you pick your crochet pin, pass the pin through your hair, and then you place the tip of the middle of the extension on the tip of the crochet pin, close it, pull the hair out, and then split your natural hair into 2 equal parts, add it to the extension, and start twisting all the way to the very end. Now this is the very last one, so you're going to divide the hair into 3 after taking the section. Okay, and then apply your gel. Then you do about 5 to 6 times braiding from the roots. Okay, like this. Let's go. Braid, braid, braid. Okay, right, now you're going to grab your crochet pin. So this is how it looks like. Grab your crochet pin, pass the tip of the crochet pin through your hair, the roots, place the hair on the tip of the crochet pin, your extension, the middle. Pull the hair out like this. Okay, good. All right, then you're going to make sure they are equal on both sides. Okay, now you're going to split your hair like this. Make sure your hair is very tight, right? Okay, split the hair, and then you add the hair, your natural hair, to the extension, right? Okay, and then you clap it together, you twist it all the way to the very end. Guys, this is very simple hairstyle, fluffy twist. Look at the twist, it's been about, I think, let's say 2 months, yeah, since I did this hairstyle. So I don't remember the number of strands in my head, but it was so light, very simple hairstyle. I love it. After the hairstyle, I was like, oh my god, this hairstyle is so beautiful. If I'm given a chance to do this hairstyle, I'll do it over and over and over again. Now what you're going to do is I will pack the hair backwards, hold the hair backwards with my scrunchie or a hair tie, whatever. Okay, and then grab my edge brush. I go from a beauty supply store. Then I'll grab the same gel I used to lay my edges. Look at the hair, so simple, very light. Then lay my edges. After adding some spice to my edges, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my head wrap, my satin silk head wrap, and then cover my hair. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and do my makeup for, I think, for 1 hour, just 1 hour. Yes, and yes guys, this is the very end of this tutorial. Very simple hairstyle, very simple fluffy twist hairstyle. Let me know if you will try this hairstyle. Let me know if you are loving this 2025. You are going for simple hairstyles. Okay, so this is me after my makeup. I'll add some small accessories to the hair to take the hairstyle to a different level. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment, share, subscribe. I took this hairstyle to a graduation. You can take it to anywhere, to school, to work, name it. Let me know if you love this. Guys, see you in my next one. Bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.